and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in the name of Jesus. Alright, so today I want to show you a very simple 3-6-2-5-1 passing chord in the key of F sharp. This is the key of F sharp. Right? So, alright, so I'll just use a very common song. What's the song? Excellent is your name. 2 5 4 3 then 6. Let me establish that 2. So the progression goes 5 excellent 3 then 6 is your name 2 then 5 4 3 6 then. Okay, so the progression goes like this. We have a 6 is your name 2 5 4 3. So on that 5 4 3 on that 4, we're going to do a chord. So you can play your basic chords. Excellent is your name 2. Then when you do 5, do this chord. Do this chord on 4. Right, that's a C sharp, 7. Right, that's W7 sharp 5. Right, so 5. So anytime you want to do 5 4 3, you can always do this chord progression. So that's how I'm going to show you. 5 4, then you go to your 3 6 2. So that's like a turnaround. 3 6 2 5 4 3 6 2 5 4. Alright, God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. Can you click this channel membership also? You can join channel membership by clicking this join button. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.